You have got to stop copy trading and do this instead. But before we go any further, guys, I'd absolutely love to know your feeling about Bitcoin. What's going on? Why is it dumping so much? And are we going to hit 50k or below? Without further ado, let's get straight to it. Hey traders, I hope you're going extremely well. My name is David and welcome to my channel where I go through trading strategies. Today we're going to be looking at something slightly different. We're going to be looking today at a platform that I built with the community that allows us to rank all of the trading strategies that we've built since the beginning. All of the settings are inside of that platform. You'll be able to see it without even creating an account. You'll be able to go through all of the DaviddTech strategies and even strategies that are not built by us. We're going to be backtesting them. We're going to be optimizing them together as a community to try and make the best trading strategies out there. I'm also trying to prove that indicators are absolute shit by themselves, but put together as a strategy, they really can be quite profitable. But of course, that's not in the slightest financial advice. I'm just a geek who likes to code and trade and also prove haters wrong. So let's get over to my computer. Let's have a look at the Bitcoin chart. Let's have a look at the platform and have a look at the top strategies in there. Right, let's go. Right, here we are on TradingView. As you can see on the side here, my bots have been going off like haywire at the moment with the volatility in the market dumping the way it is. Still getting a couple of longs in there. I actually got this 15-minute entry on the dead zone here that bounced off of here and allowed me to have an entry around here, and it was taken out on that profit over there that we saw a second ago. So yeah, very happy with the bots at the moment. They're going extremely well. Everything's going the way it should do, which is absolutely brilliant. I don't know if this dumping has finished, but certainly looking at the charts, there aren't any divergences or anything being created in the opposite direction. There was one on the 1 hour earlier, but nothing too significant. Also wanted to share this website with you guys that I found recently. Is the inflows from the ETFs into Bitcoin. As you can see, they are actually dwindling off here quite a bit, except for our BlackRock one here that yesterday had 451. But other than that, we're either got some zeros, some selling off, and we're generally in a negative on the ETFs as well at the moment. Does that mean that we're going to continue selling, or is it just accumulation and distribution? Are they creating better setups for themselves? The calendar obviously reflects the moment that we're in at the moment. There's quite a few events on at the moment. We're going to be Wednesday when this video is published. We have the Fed interest rate decision. We have a press conference and a couple of FOMC events as well going on, which are all high impact events. We have the UK as well. Thursday has a couple as well, the interest rates decision from the UK as well. Obviously, all of those kind of things will impact the market. But I'm not here to do any TA, guys. I'm here to just show you what we're producing. I obviously don't trade manually. Everything I do is done by bots. So I just wanted to go through this platform that we're building here on DaviddTech so you can come and have a look at the strategies. There's a load of new things going on. As you can see, it's completely open. You don't need to log in at all. It's just at david.tech. You'll be able to find the links in the description below. You'll be able to find loads of great things going on here. We've got all of the references for all of the strategies that I've backtested since the very beginning. And also a huge thank you to the community. They're all backtesting and optimizing trading strategies. Now, if you want access to the settings for these trading strategies, you actually have to participate in the group and you have to learn how to optimize and share, or you can buy a subscription, which you'll be able to find in the description below as well, which helps me pay back and buy gifts for the wonderful people that are actually out there optimizing these strategies. As you can see, they've all been optimized and actually are in an incubation period. Incubation means that they're live trading on Bybit or on some of the other exchanges, depending on what exchanges they were actually optimized for. We have lots of information here. We have their time frame, the win rate. As you can see, this one's a 77% win rate, was 78. The backtesting results, we have the backtesting results here. We have our cumulative gains here, so you can see how much would have earned if you were trading throughout these 105 days of live trading. Obviously, we do deep backtesting. That's the other result here. So you can deep backtest all the way back to 2020. Some of them go even further. 2019, I think, was one of the older results that we found on OKX. So yeah, so there we've got the trend here. If I click on one of them, you get all of the wonderful results. You also get to be able to see the TradingView chart. You'll be able to see the backtesting results. So if you slide this across, you'll be able to see the deep backtesting results of this trading strategy. And then we'll be able to forward test it, so you'll see the difference. By sliding it back, this little slider here, you'll be able to see the trading as it's live. So this one's actually had 4 trades since we put it into incubation, which made it about 50% extra profit. The win rate has slightly increased and the profitability has as well, and our max drawdown hasn't moved in the slightest. As you can see, we've recorded all the trades here. You can see all of the trades as well. So yeah, it is really a wonderful platform that you can come and see. It's completely open. I'm going to be putting my open trading results on this platform, so you'll be able to see how much I'm earning from trading. You'll be able to follow my free bots up here on Bybit. I'm going to be adding bots on there on Bybit. There's one currently running at the moment on this one here. It was only launched yesterday or the day before, and this bot has currently had 8 wins and 3 losses. So yeah, it's just running in the background, so you can transparently have a look at it, and you can press the button to follow if you don't want to be part of the DaviddTech community. That also helps me to buy wonderful gifts for the wonderful people that are actually optimizing it here, because I reinvest all of that profit back into it, and I'm building revenue share programs so that those guys actually profit from the winning trades as well. I think this is a great addition to the DaviddTech community. We now have the optimizer that allows us to optimize trading strategies and find the best settings. We have the terminal that allows you to connect those settings over to your exchanges, whether it's Bybit, OKX, or 2bit, or plenty of other exchanges out there. We help you connect TradingView over to those exchanges. Now we have the incubation trade, which allows us to see all of the bots and how they are actually performing on real live markets, free and transparently. I'm going to be transferring funds over to 3 sub accounts so that I can trade automatically on these. It's all going to be done completely transparently. You'll be able to find an Excel spreadsheet or a sheet from Google Sheets where you'll be able to see what I'm trading, how I'm trading, and how much I've earned from this bullish or maybe bearish market as we go along, guys. This is another step in the direction for transparency. I really do hope you guys appreciate and like the videos and the things that I'm doing to try and keep these things as transparent as possible. I still believe that code is our greatest edge in the market, and we can make profitable trading strategies from indicators that have a full trading strategy around them. Hopefully this will be a case of the proof is in the pudding, and hopefully we'll be able to prove it. There are strategies that have been incubated on there for almost 6 months, and they're still running profitability, which is absolutely wonderful, and you'll be able to copy those with one click over to your TradingView if you're part of the DaviddTech group. As I said earlier, all of the links are in the description below. Without further ado, guys, I hope you enjoyed this one. It was a very quick video. I have a new grid bot trading strategy that I'm going to be releasing on Friday, so don't miss that. And if you'd like to see the other grid bot that I've already started, you'll be able to find it up in the description below. Without further ado, guys, keep safe and trade like a boss, and I'll see you on Friday. Take care. Goodbye.
Come on, David, and once again he's gone to code a new strategy. He'll be back in just 5 minutes. RSI and MACD.